Alright, so welcome to a early Sunday morning. It's a little damp out here. I couldn't really sleep today, so I figured why not go get some coffee. Fortunately, I didn't look up the time they open, so I got here a little early. But I had the camera with me. I figured why not get some shots of the Supra somewhere back here. Hopefully it turned out good. We'll see. Hope you guys enjoy. It's cold, so I'm gonna go get some coffee. See y'all. Well, as you guys can tell, I wasn't able to get coffee this morning. Unfortunately, they were closed due to some power failure or something. I'm not really sure, but no, in all seriousness, I did decide to keep the Supra. Unfortunately, when I sent it to auction, I made plans to sell my daily because I thought I was going to jump into something kind of consolidate cars. So I'm kind of left with just the Supra at the moment. It's actually going to get sent off probably here in about 2 weeks, but it's going to David at 2J Motorsports. We're basically going to do a fuel system, maybe a bigger turbo, we'll see. But yeah, it should make, we're gonna hope for 4 digits on ethanol. So it'll be an actual big boy Supra. I know right now it's on 800, that's a lot to some people. That's not a lot to a lot of other people. I think YouTube land has spoiled a lot of people with high horsepower stuff on camera. So to me, in the butt dyno, 800 feels aggressive already. So I don't even, I say I don't want to know what 1000 feels like. But I do want to know what 1000 feels like.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, I was talking to Charlie about this morning, and he said, well, you didn't get coffee this morning, so why not? Let's meet up. But yeah, we figured why not? We got the camera in, so let's play with it and make something, make something. So that leaves me with another problem. So since the Supra is going in about 2 weeks, and I did in fact sell the daily, now I need to find an actual fun daily driver. That's kind of where I'm at. The market right now is insane, as I'm sure all of you are aware. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, I'll keep hunting. All right, anyway, so that's the end of today's vlog, or whatever you want to call this impromptu shooting. But I guess they're still open, so I'm gonna get some coffee real quick. See you guys next time. Peace.